Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you few detailed steps to achieve a very neutral, natural smoky eyeshadow. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next clip. So guys, to start off, I'm gonna do my brows and also do my foundation first before I do the eyeshadow. You can skip to 3 minutes 35 seconds for the eyeshadow tutorial. I'm not gonna explain what I'm doing right here because I have a beginner friendly brow tutorial scheduled, so stay tuned for it. And I also have a detailed foundation tutorial posted on my channel. I'm gonna leave the link in the info section. Be sure to check it out. And also, just to let you know, all the product that I'll be using in this video will be listed in the info section. Just check it out if you are interested, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, now that we've gotten the brows and the foundation out of the way, I'm gonna start off by using my Morphe palette, and all the colors that I'll be using will be shown on the screen. The Morphe palette doesn't have names, so I don't really know the names to call the colors. The first color that I use for the transitioning is like an orangey looking color, and I'm also going in with a cranberry color as well, and I also go in with a deep brown tone to give me like a very smoky look. And I'm also using my color pop eyeshadow, and it's kind of dark looking. It's not really, it's like dark brown look, and it's also give me this neutral natural brown look that I was going for, like it's very smoky look that I was going for. Guys, please bear with me, this was really hard to explain, but the eyeshadow palette that I used are all shown on the screen, and also I'll be leaving them in the info section, so be sure to check it out. On my waterline, I used a white pencil to make my eyes a little bit wider because the lashes were so bold, and I also defined my lower lashes with a mascara. So right now I'm doing my nude lips, and guys, leave it in the comment section if you want to see how I do a bold nude lips, because guys, you know, nude lips are very hard to achieve, especially for we black women. So just, you know, go ahead and leave it in the comment section if you want to, you know, see a tutorial like that on how I do my nude lips, like a nude glossy bold lips. Leave it in the comment section if you want to see a tutorial like that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hey, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, and also make sure to subscribe to this video again, because I have so many upcoming tutorials for you guys, and I know that my videos are gonna get better, and also my voiceovers are gonna get better. I know my voiceover has no personality, but hey, it's gonna get better. This is what I can do. This is how best I can, you know, explain things to you guys for now. But hey, so thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.